say that Dr. Leibel was instrumental in making sure that this ceremony occurred?
I served in the U.S. Army Medical Corps as a major in the U.S. Army Medical Corps during the Vietnam conflict. I had very little interest in the history of the military, either United States or otherwise, but after I left the Army, I developed an interest in the history, primarily of military history of the United States. We have an outstanding World War I monument just out the window of my office in the Naomi Berrie Diabetes Center. And for the past 20 years, while I have been in this office, I have watched that monument and the park, which is adjacent to it, the John Mitchel Park, and have been fascinated to look at some of the names on the World War I Veterans Monument. My own engagement with this monument has come through efforts to replace and repair the bayonet, which has been removed under serial circumstances during my presence here. And the most recent, which began in 2016, has actually involved my offering and the offer being accepted by the Parks Department to help to pay for the restoration in order to expedite that process and to get the repairs made before the 100th anniversary of the ending of the war. I think the fact that this is being used as an opportunity for the congressmen and for other members of the community to pay renewed attention, hopefully, to this wonderful piece of art and the historical importance of its representation of a very important period in world and American history. I think this is a priceless opportunity in a sense. And there's another point, actually, which is of historical interest to me. The discovery of insulin was made by a World War I veteran of the Canadian military forces that participated in France during the war. So we're almost 100 years away from a discovery made by a member of the armed forces who fought and actually was decorated for his courage in the First World War.
Thank you for everything you did.